Hello guys, I'm Jester Dimapilis from BSIT401 and I'm gonna present my report is network topology. Network topology is the arrangement of the elements, links, or nodes, etc. of a communication network. Network topology can be used to define to, uh, to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control, radio networks, industrial, buses, and computer networks. So, network topology is they arrange the elements like nodes and links and the other term of the network topology and the elements of them. So, network topology a communication network to use to define or describe of various telecommunication network. Like network topology is command and control. The network take a command and control does everything you use always. Like industrial, just like they're using in field buses, and computer networks. So, the other term of network topology is the topological structure of a network and may be depicted physically or logically. It's an application of graph theory wherein communicating devices are modeled nodes and the connection between the devices are modeled as link or lines between the nodes. Physical topology is the placement of the various components of a network, example, device location and cable installation. So, network topology is the example of like on the TV, we can use a cell phone, use Bluetooth to connect the TV. That's how we use. So, that's how they use. And while the logical topology there illustrate how the data flow within network in the distance between nodes and physical interconnection just like a transmission rate or signal types may differ between two transmission rate or signal types may differ between those two different networks, but the topologies may be identical. Identical transmission rate and signal types are identical. So, a network physical topology is a particular concern of the physical layer of the OSI model. So, this is the example of network topology they found in LAN. For the acronym is local area network is a common computer network installation and given node in the LAN has one or more physical to other devices in the network. Graphically mapping these links result in a geometric shape that can be used to describe the physical topology of the network. A wide variety of physical topologies have been used in LANs including ring, bus, mesh, and star. Conversely, mapping the data flow between the components determine the logical topology of the network. In comparison, controller area network, in short, CAN, we can call that CAN, CANN. Common in vehicles are primarily distributed control system network of one or more controllers interconnected with sensors and actuators over invariably a physical bus topology. So this CAN or controller area network is in common in vehicles are distributed from the control system. This control area network have a control system to distribute by the networks by the network or of networks of one or more controllers interconnected in the sensor, and the actuators are over invariably, just like a physical bus topology as we can see. So, types of network topology is bus topology. Bus topology, as you can see in this image, they have 5 computer and they have coaxial cable or RJ45. So, bus topology is referred to as a line topology. A bus topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is connected to a single cable or backbone depending on the type of computer network card, a coaxial cable, or an RJ45 network cable is used to connect them together. So this bus topology are they're connected back in the back of the computer using a coaxial cable, or we call RJ45. They connected in line to connect the other computer, the three computer and four computer, the fifth computer. So this will be like we can use each other to send the, the other computer our file or data to see them how we send it. For example, in this first computer we use in this first computer send an other what the second computer, this, as you can see the highlight, the yellow line, I'm swiping it, and I send the first computer to second computer my data, and the second computer receive my data, and he or she gonna see what I send, and this second computer send it to the third computer to see the second computer is sent to, and the third computer receive it, and he or she gonna edit the data he set from the second computer, and the third computer gonna send the fourth computer to see the third computer edit, and the the fourth computer gonna send to the fifth computer, the last computer, and they gonna see this what the four computer finish their data use and edited. So that's the bus topology. And next, point-to-point topology. Point-to-point topology is the simplest topology that connects two nodes. It's two nodes directly together with a common link. The entire bandwidth of the common link is reserved transmission between those two nodes. So the point-to-point are connected. You use an actual links. Use an actual line of wire or cable to connect the two ends, but other options such as satellite links or microwaves are also possible. When you change TV channels by remote, you or establish a point-to-point connection between the remote control and the TV's control system. The transfer of data in a point-to-point topology can be multiple ways across the network in a simplex, in full duplex, or half duplex. So point-to-point topology, just like in this description on my PowerPoint, just like the TV channel, by using remote, you're gonna change the channel what you want, channel 7, channel 2, channel 5, just like the TV. That's there you establish the point-to-point connection. You're using the remote like to change the channel. What you want to, where you gonna change the channel, and the remote control and the TV control system, they gonna transfer the data. They gonna transfer the data to the other system, or we call the computer, just like the TV. What you, for example, this is a remote. You change the channel to the TV, turn to channel 7, but that's how the transfer the data. So in point to point topology, they have multiple ways across the network, just like a simplex, in full duplex or half duplex. So next, hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses two or more differing network topologies. These topologies can include a mix of bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. The choice is to use hybrid topology over standard topology. It depends what they need. What what we gonna do? What we gonna use? Bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. Based on for your where you came, where are you going, just like you go the business, school, and the other. And this hybrid topology is a big. It depends of standard. The, it's a over a standard topology, so needs a big company that's like a business, school, or the user. From the example of this hybrid topology, in the school we can see the LAN school files, elms, just like that. The number of computers, their location, and the shared network. From the example from the LAN school files, there you can save your file in the LAN school files, and the main computer, they can see in the LAN school file what you send, and they gonna base on their your work from the LAN school files, your account. So that's like that. That's the hybrid topology. For it's a standard topology, I repeat. It's depend on what the company needs. It's gonna be use bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, or star topology, and tree topology. This is hybrid. They're combining. Then next, ring topology is a network configuration in which device connection creates circular data path. Each network device connected to other like points in a circle together. So this ring topology, as you can see this image, are circle together. So in this first computer, you send an data to the second computer, the second device, and he or she gonna see your sending, and the other, just like they're gonna rotate it. This is called in one direction only, and where we called ours, this is an indirectional ring network, as you can see in this description of the topology. And the other permit data to move in either direction, they call bidirectional. So this bidirectional, if you cut the one wire, it's not gonna work. Ring topologies may be used other local area network in short LANs and or ones wide area network, just like coaxial cable again and RJ45. So edge topology is a type of network where all nodes cooperate to distribute data, so each amongst each other. So this topology as originally developed 30 last year ago, it's for the military application, but this day they are typically used for things home automation, smart control, and smart building. This article with general mesh work benefit, industry standard, they're using as NAS3, and this is the tree topology. is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like the branches of a tree. For example, tree topologies are frequent